Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best clear coat spray cans that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the USC SprayMax 2K Glamour High Gloss Aerosol Clear. This is a single can option that's perfect for small projects or touch-ups. With its high gloss finish and scratch-resistant properties, it delivers professional-grade results without the need for complex equipment. It's designed to work well on a variety of surfaces, including metal, plastic, and fiberglass, giving you flexibility across multiple applications. In terms of design, this clear coat spray can features an easy-to-use aerosol format. With its ready-to-spray formula, all you need to do is activate, shake, and spray. The build quality is solid, and the spray nozzle delivers a consistent and controlled application. Performance-wise, it dries relatively quickly and provides excellent resistance to water, chemicals, and abrasion, making it ideal for automotive touch-ups or DIY projects. The downside here is that it's a single can, so it may not cover larger projects effectively. However, it's a great choice for hobbyists or those looking for high-quality outcomes in smaller-scale applications. Overall, it's an affordable and reliable option for anyone in need of a durable, glossy finish. At number 4, we have the SprayMax USC 2K High Gloss Clear Coat Aerosol 4-pack. This package is a great middle ground option, offering enough product to tackle medium-sized projects while maintaining the top-tier quality SprayMax is known for. It delivers a high-gloss, professional finish that's resistant to abrasion, UV rays, and water. This makes it an excellent choice for outdoor applications, such as automotive exteriors or even furniture refinishing. The design of this product is geared toward simplicity, with its ready-to-spray formula that eliminates the need for extensive preparation. The aerosol cans are easy to handle, and the spray pattern is even and consistent. One standout feature is its impressive coverage, up to 500 square feet, which is among the highest on this list. It also cures fully in 24 hours, giving you a durable and long-lasting finish in a relatively short amount of time. On the downside, the package contains 4 cans, which might be more than some users need for smaller projects. Additionally, while the product is UV resistant, it may require careful storage to maintain its shelf life. Overall, this is a fantastic option for DIYers and professionals who need a reliable, high-quality clear coat for medium to large projects. At number 3, we have the USC SprayMax 2K Glamour High Gloss Aerosol Clear 3-pack. This option is perfect for those who want a balance between quantity and convenience. Each can is packed with SprayMax's signature high-gloss finish and top-notch durability, making it suitable for automotive and motorcycle repairs, as well as other DIY projects requiring a long-lasting seal. What sets this product apart is its excellent polishability, which means you can achieve an ultra-smooth, mirror-like finish after application. The spray offers high abrasion and scratch resistance, making it a great choice for high-traffic areas or surfaces exposed to wear and tear. It's also chip-resistant and capable of withstanding higher ambient temperatures, making it versatile across different environments. One potential drawback is that the coverage per can is medium, which might not be ideal for large-scale projects. However, the 3-pack format gives you a good balance of supply without being overwhelming. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance clear coat spray that's easy to use and delivers professional results, this is the one to consider. Coming in at number 2 is the SprayMax USC 2K High Gloss Clear Coat Aerosol 2-pack. This option is ideal for smaller projects requiring professional quality results. It delivers a smooth, high-gloss finish that's resistant to water, chemicals, and scratches. The 2-pack format is perfect for hobbyists or anyone working on a limited-scale project without needing to purchase a larger set. The cans are lightweight and easy to handle, and the spray nozzle provides a consistent and even application. One notable feature is its waterproof and chemical-resistant properties, which make it suitable for a variety of uses, including metal and plastic surfaces. The coverage per can is impressive, offering up to 12 square meters, which is more than enough for most small to medium projects. The only downside is that it may not be the best option for extensive or professional level usage due to the limited number of cans. However, if you're looking for a dependable, easy-to-use clear coat spray for small DIY jobs, this 2-pack is an excellent choice. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the SprayMax USC 2K High Gloss Clear Coat Aerosol 6-pack. This is the ultimate choice for those who need maximum coverage and professional-grade results. With 6 cans in the pack, you'll have more than enough product to handle large-scale projects, whether it's a full car repaint, furniture restoration, or other demanding applications. This product is packed with features, including high resistance to abrasion, scratches, and weathering. Its 2K technology ensures a tough and durable finish, and the high gloss sheen adds a showroom-quality look to any surface. The spray is easy to activate and apply, and the cans are lightweight and ergonomic, making them comfortable to use even for extended periods. The main advantage of this 6-pack is the value it provides. While the initial investment might seem high, the quantity and quality of the product make it well worth it for professionals or DIYers tackling significant projects. The only drawback is that it may be overkill for smaller jobs, but for anyone needing high performance and large-scale coverage, this is undoubtedly the best option available. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.